Good morning and welcome back to my channel. This is the newest raised bed that I got, and what you saw me doing was putting leaf material in the form of oak leaves and pine needles and little pieces of stick and stuff like that into the bed. When I filled the bed, I went ahead and put cardboard in. I'm not putting logs on in this one. I want to put on a lot of leaves, a lot of compost, and then potting soil on top of it. So this is just part of the process. I wanted to show you that. Next, I'm going to go ahead and water, or rather feed my vegetables, and I'll bring you along. So I have a 5-gallon bucket here, and I'm going to mix up a batch of fertilizer. So the bucket up a little bit, and then I'm going to pour the fertilizer, liquid fertilizer, into it, and then fill it up the rest of the way. Make sure it's mixed real good. Don't go anywhere. Okay. So the fertilizer that I'm going to be using today is not my standard go-to AgroThrive. I'm using a variety of all-purpose fertilizer 2020 made by Easy Grow, and I got it off of Amazon. Feels like there's something crawling on me. So shake it up. And how much does it say to use? It really doesn't. Oh, okay. Says for outdoor plants, about 7 ounces for every gallon of water. So we have 5 gallons here. So that'll be about 35 ounces. Hopefully, let's say that's about 7 ounces. I'm sorry, 35 ounces. And we're going to stir it up a little bit. Put that back. And then I'm going to pour it into my watering can and then water the plants, or feed the plants rather. Here on the homestead, I can always find something to do, even when I really don't want to do anything. And today was one of those days. I brought you along through time lapse while I raked up a bunch of leaves to fill my newest raised bed. And I've also brought you along while we dumped those leaves into the raised bed. And we fed our plants. And feeding them by hand now is a little bit of a chore. So I think I may look into getting a liquid feeder specifically for when I want to feed the plants. I can just pour the liquid into it and connect it to my drip system. So I'll be looking into that. And if I do something along those lines, you can be sure you'll see it in a video. I want to thank you for coming along with me, and I hope you got something out of the video. I hope it brought a smile to your face and a little joy to your heart. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. I can grow a lot of vegetables by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button and the notification bell all, so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. Chances are, if you like my video, your family and friends will also. Also, consider becoming a member of my channel. I'm trying to grow that as well. 3 to 5 times a month, I will be uploading videos, have chats, and also maybe, depending on participation level, give away free seeds. So until next time, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Take care, stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow.